The legal team representing Guyanese national Raymond David, who was turned over to Surinamese officials by members of the Guyana police force, said they intend to file legal proceedings against Attorney General Anil Nandlal and Police Commissioner Clifton Hicken. David has accused the Guyana police force of kidnapping and unlawful extradition. During a press conference, his attorneys, Dexter Smart and Dexter Todd, said they will be seeking several declarations from the court regarding David's detention and cross-border transfer.
So the first thing we intend on doing is filing an urgent application before the court, a constitutional action, seeking certain declarations from the court. First and foremost, seeking a declaration that his arrest, detention, and removal from Guyana was unlawful, the Fugitive Offenders Act, and should not be taken lightly. It's also a violation of his fundamental rights. We also intend on seeking a writ of mandamus, compelling the government of Guyana to use all diplomatic means and all diplomatic channels to let the government of Suriname know that this young man, was removed from Guyana's shores by illegal means. The court has made such a declaration that he should be returned immediately. We also intend on seeking punitive and exemplary damages for this young man, as his rights were breached. The laws of Guyana that protects him were also disregarded, and he should be compensated for such. This action will be brought against the state, the Minister of Home Affairs, the Commissioner of Police, and the police officers who are named to have been there at the time.
In a video interview from a prison cell in Suriname, David said he was invited to the Brickdam police station on June 18th, where he was informed that he was wanted for murder in the Dutch-speaking nation. Further, he accused the police of searching his home and restaurant and seizing personal documents while he was held in lockup. David said he was held beyond the stipulated time before he was transported to Springlands and turned over to Surinamese lawmen. Attorney-at-law Todd said this was a clear violation of the country's laws, saying there was no proper extradition process and no legal basis on which David was turned over to the Surinamese officials.
But the point I am making is that to have the Guyana police force, who are supposed to serve and protect us in this country, to have them cooperate with their counterparts in another country, to violate our laws in this country, violate our extradition laws, and to come over in this country and to take us. I first was thinking that maybe they took him by way of backtrack over to Suriname, but I didn't realize that it is so grave and so bold-faced that the police authorities can come into our country and pick up someone without any proper documentation. I hope that the authorities in this country, and when we file those matters, will take this matter as far as to get the identity of all 6 of those police officers, and they must be placed before the courts in Guyana, because it's a violation of our laws, and it must not be dealt with, it must not be treated lightly.
His sister, Agisha Alder, said the situation has affected the family because her brother is a very law-abiding citizen.
He wasn't a law-abiding citizen. He was never going to go willingly with the officers when they came here to his business place and said they wanted to talk to him. You understand? So our family is feeling violated in many ways because we are born Guyanese. We were born here. You understand? And my mother, she went away. She left for Suriname when we were young, and she brought us with her. So we didn't grow up in Guyana, but we are born Guyanese. And the way they treated my brother, the way they treated him is like, it's worse than, I don't even have words. It is impacting my family in a serious way.
Crime Chief Wendell Blanham told reporters that the matter is currently being handled by the Attorney General's chambers.